my friends, and welcome to the update on the Bose Home Portable Speaker. I've had about 2 months to play with this speaker, and I want to give you a very quick update on my impressions. My two favorite features so far, number one is Airplay 2, and the second one is the ability to take this thing anywhere around the house outside as I'm working in the backyard, cooking on the grill, and have Alexa or Google Home at my disposal. Take a look. Sitting on the porch, doing some social distancing. Alexa, what's the coronavirus?
On December 31st, 2019, it was reported that a new coronavirus strain,
Alexa,
COVID-19,
play some non-copyrighted music. Or you just chilled in the backyard. Alexa, play some NCS.
shuffling songs by No Copyright Sounds on Amazon Music.
The ultimate in laziness. Or you cook it on the grill and your hands are full. Alexa, what's the temperature of cooked steak?
An internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and it should be rested.
Alright, I'll show you quickly how the Airplay 2 connects. So you basically pick a song you like from your phone. You go up, at least on the iPhone, you go up to the Airplay app and you will pick what speakers that have Airplay that you want to play. So I link the Bose with my Apple HomePod in the kitchen and allows me to have stereo sound throughout the kitchen. I can move around the Bose speaker to where I like, where it sounds the best, on top of the fridge, on the kitchen table, where have you. It's out of the way, and then I can grab it, take it back outside as I'm grilling, and still have my music outside as I move around. Let's talk about battery life. I would say that the Bose Revolve Plus probably has better battery life, basically because the speaker does more. So when you leave it on standby, it's sucking power. It's waiting for the wake word. You can turn that off if you like, but that's the whole point of the speaker. Just be advised, you could probably have to charge this thing a little bit more often than your standard Bluetooth speaker, which for me is not a big deal at all. If you're in the market for this speaker, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Go for it. Try to find it on sale. I would not purchase it at full MSRP. Find it used or on sale, or keep hunting. Subscribe, like, please, and stay safe. Alexa, what's a chocolate Labrador?
Here's something I found on reference.com. A chocolate Labrador in gold.